The severe flooding in Algarve, Portugal and Sicily, Italy occurred on November 14, 2024. In the Algarve, a persistent low-pressure system brought heavy, prolonged rainfall. This led to saturated soils, overwhelmed drainage infrastructure, and urban flooding in areas like Albufeira.
Está tudo tapado de água já. Já há lojas inundadas e caraças.
Flash floods was exacerbated by the region's natural topography and insufficient stormwater management systems. Thunderstorms and strong winds further worsened conditions in affected areas. In Sicily, the flooding was triggered by an intense Mediterranean storm system. Giarre recorded an exceptional 400 mm of rainfall in just 6 hours, causing rivers to overflow.
No, minun anna muu viikin kanssa. Se on neljä.
Floodwaters overwhelmed local hydraulic systems and inundated roads, homes, and agriculture areas. Warmer sea surface temperatures likely intensified the storm, increasing rainfall intensity. Insufficient flood defenses and vulnerable infrastructure contributed to the disaster severity. Both regions reflect increasing risk from climate change-driven extreme weather events. These events highlight the urgent need for improved flood prevention and adaptation measures. Authorities are now focusing on emergency response and long-term infrastructure resilience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.